Hey there. Wondering if your Affirm purchase was approved? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to check your approval status online. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Affirm website. Go to affirm.com and click on Sign In at the top right. Enter your phone number or email and verify your identity with the code they send. Step 2. Access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll land on your Affirm dashboard. This page shows all your recent applications, active loans, and pending approvals. Step 3. Look for the application status. Under Activity or Pending Loans, check for the status next to your application. It'll say either Approved, Not Approved, or Pending. Step 4. Use the mobile optional. Prefer your phone? Open the Affirm app, tap the Activity tab, and you'll see your latest status right there. Important tips: if it says pending, wait a few minutes or check back later. It might still be under review. For rejected applications, Affirm doesn't run a hard credit check, so your credit score is safe. If you're still unsure, tap Help on the website or app to contact Affirm support directly. That's it. You're all set to track your approval status with Affirm. Want to learn how to manage your payment schedule or increase your credit line? Stick around for more quick guides. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful how-tos.